First, get rid of our fill color. Choose stroke points as 5 points. Draw a circle like this. Get 3 copies of this circle, because we'll need them in the future. For copy a path, shortcut is Ctrl+C and Ctrl+F. Now you can see there are 3 circles. Press Ctrl+Z to undo any move. This is a very useful shortcut. Select one circle and drag it to make it smaller, hold Shift and Alt keys while doing. Select Rectangle tool and draw a rectangle like this. Get 2 copies of this rectangle too. Hold Shift and select one rectangle and the smaller circle. Go to the Pathfinder and click on -front command. Now select the other rectangle, one of the big circles, and do the same. You get the idea now. Now you can see this 2 paths. It's going to be head of our mushroom. Ctrl+Z to undo. Now select the remaining big circle and drag this point while holding Alt key. Apparently I made 4 circles, let me delete this one. Now you can see the head of our mushroom. If you add a fill color to this bottom ellipse, you can see it's really good. Bring this path to the front. To do that, right click on the path and go to the Arrange, then hit Bring to the front. You can see the head now, but let's work with strokes for now. Now get a copy of this bottom ellipse. Shortcut is Ctrl+C then Ctrl+F. Select one of the ellipse and make it smaller, by dragging while holding Shift and Alt keys. You can see the smart guides are helping us. Let's make the body part. Grab the rectangle tool and draw one like this. Move the rectangle to center by dragging. Now you can see smart guides are showing the center for us. Go to the Direct Selection tool. Grab the bottom left anchor point and drag it away. Do the same with right one. Select the Curvature Pen tool for this next part. Make a point by Curvature Pen tool and drag it away to make a smooth curved line. Do the same with other side of the rectangle. You can move your point by dragging across the line to make it look smoother. Do this to the bottom side as well. Select the Direct Selection tool and make the bottom anchor points curved. You can do it by dragging these round points. Make sure that you only select the point you need to be curved. We need to add some shadow effects. To do that, make a copy of this path. Shortcuts are Ctrl+C and Ctrl+F. Make the new path a smaller path by dragging. Hold Shift and Alt keys while doing that. Now we can make legs and hands of our mushroom. Grab the pen tool and draw a line like this. For the legs, we're going to use only straight lines. After you draw a line, you can free your pen tool cursor by holding Ctrl key and clicking anywhere in the artboard. Now we can draw the hands. For the hands we're going to use little bit curved lines. If you don't know to create a curved line using pen tool, just click on the artboard, hold and drag away from the anchor point to make one. Select the ellipse tool. Click on the artboard and make a 75-75 pixel circle. Move this to end of the hand and do the same with other side. Because these ellipses don't have any fill colors, you can't drag them on the center. You have to click on the outline and drag it to move an object. Now take the pen tool and draw a path like this to make it look like a finger. Don't create the first anchor point on this circle. Make a new path and in the end combine them. You can draw the shoes as well. Make a copy by using Ctrl+C and Ctrl+F and move it to the other leg. You can drag with selection tool to make this path as a mirror path. Let's make the face of our artwork. Grab the ellipse tool. Shortcut is letter L. Make a 100 pixel circle. Hold Alt key and drag to make a copy, and use it as the other eye. And make another circle as 40 pixel to use as the eyeball. Make another 100 pixel. I think it's too small. So we can adjust the size of our circle by dragging these points. Grab the rectangle tool and make one like this. Then select the both paths and use the -front command in Pathfinder tool to get rid of the upper path. Select the pen tool and let's make it interesting. We're gonna use this path as the upper teeth. You can always smooth these lines using Smooth tool. Let's make a path as the tongue of our mushroom. This is our full stroke artwork. Let's make this mushroom and add some colors to our artwork. Now select all the strokes that we created. Go to the Shape Builder tool and let's build this mushroom. If you want to combine two paths, you just have to drag across them. If you want to get rid of a path, hold Alt key and click on the path. That will do it. Now let's add some colors to our artwork. Select the smaller head path and add a color like this. If you need the color code, there it is. Now select the other path and add a little darker color. To this path let's add more darker color because it's on the bottom of the head. This is the inside of our head path. Fill it with a brown color so it look more darker than the outside. Of course you can add some other colors, but I think this looks good. We can use the black color to the hands and legs. Use the eyedropper tool to add colors to other paths. This is a very useful tool. If you want to select another path, you just have to hold Ctrl key and select the path you want. Add black color to the eyes and white to the eyeballs. Make these strokes more bold, like 10 points. Now let's color our mouth paths. Get a copy of this path. Bring that path to front. Now get rid of the fill color of that path. Add the same color as the body to that path using eyedropper tool and make it a stroke line. Now get rid of all the black strokes. I'm gonna speed up me doing this. Add some blush elements to make it more cooler. Grab the ellipse tool and create a circle like this. Select the selection tool and drag while holding Alt key to make a copy of this path. Use something like lightish pink color to this one. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to my channel and turn on that notification bell as well.